Alright, time to record what happens when I try to update to Windows 10 1903. I want to document this for the fellows watching at home. Let me boot into my system here. Give me a second. Let me show you what happens when you update to Windows 1903 at this current point on my system. First, everything looks fine, but let's see what happens when I try to log in. Dun dun dun! Okay, let's try to get into my system. And oh, there it goes. There it goes. It looked promising there for a second, but flickery screen, blinking on and off, goes blank, stays blank. Has this error on here? Focus. Shit. I was hoping it would focus before that error came off the screen. Thank you, Microsoft. Let's try that again. I want to document that error. No, it's even doing it during the login screen. I can't even get that error documented now. Thank you, Microsoft, for having a shitty, crappy Windows update experience again. Congratulations, folks. You're screw-ups.